Hello children, and welcome back to your English class. Are you ready with your literature reader? Don't forget to keep a pencil in your hand. In the previous class, children, we had done the model reading of the first two paragraphs. We had discussed the meanings of the new words and we had also made a note of it in the classwork notebook. Hope you all have completed your work. So now let's start with a short recap of the previous class. We had started with chapter 2, The Nightingale. In the first paragraph, we had seen that long ago there lived a great emperor in China. He was richer and more powerful than any emperor who had ever lived. He had a huge palace that was beautifully decorated and a very big and a wonderful garden. So much so, everybody said that it was the most beautiful garden in the entire world. Okay, now children, this was the Chinese emperor. And can you see this? This was his palace and his lovely garden. Now the second paragraph. In the garden there lived, children, a little brown bird, alright, which was not beautiful at all, but it had a melodious voice. It was the nightingale. It sang so beautifully that everyone who heard it said that it was the loveliest thing they had ever heard. Now children, let's move on to the third paragraph. Hope you remember that you have to underline the new words as and when we come across it and when you are told to do so. So now let's start with the third paragraph. One day, the emperor himself was told of the nightingale's song. Why have I never heard this remarkable bird? Please underline remarkable. He asked, "Bring her to me at once." Now the emperor, when he was told that the nightingale's song was so melodious, he wondered why he had not heard the bird till date. And then he said that bring the bird to me at once. The emperor's chief minister ran to the garden and explained to the nightingale that the rich and powerful emperor wished to hear her sing. "Gladly," said the nightingale, "take me to the palace." Now the nightingale was very happy. She felt very nice. She wanted to go to the palace to sing for the emperor. That evening, when the whole court was assembled, underline assembled, which means gathered in one place. So that evening, when the court was gathered, the whole court was gathered in the throne room, the nightingale sang for the emperor. Everyone who heard her wept at the lovely sound. Now what is the meaning of wept? Please underline wept. The meaning of wept is cried. They started crying, they felt so good. My goodness, how can somebody sing so beautifully? Okay, so they were so happy and they were so much into the music that they literally started weeping at the lovely sound. As for the emperor, tears ran from his eyes like diamonds. So even the emperor started, weeping. Tears started running from his eyes like diamonds. "Put the bird in a golden cage," he cried. "I must hear this heavenly music every day." The poor nightingale hated to be imprisoned. Please underline hated and imprisoned. Hated means disliked and imprisoned means to be kept in prison or jail. Alright. So the poor nightingale hated to be imprisoned in a cage. She grew more and more unhappy. At last, she was so sad that she could not sing at all. The emperor was furious. He ordered his wisest man to make a mechanical nightingale that would sing whenever it was wound up. Now please underline the two words that we missed out in between: furious and wisest. Furious means very angry and wisest means most sensible. Very sensible. Okay. So now children, what happens is that when the king heard that the nightingale sings so well, he said that put the bird in a golden cage so that I can hear this heavenly music, this beautiful music every day. Now the poor nightingale had to go in a golden cage, had to be caged up, had to be imprisoned inside the cage. So the poor nightingale now was very sad because it did not like to be inside the prison. So now the nightingale started becoming more and more unhappy, so much so she became so sad that one day she couldn't even sing. She couldn't sing at all. Now the emperor became very angry and he ordered his wisest, his clever people to make a mechanical nightingale that would sing whenever it was wound up. Like you have seen some toys, no? When you wind the keys, it starts working. So he wanted something like that. Some sort of mechanical bird which would sing whenever it was wound up. The wisest men in the empire worked for a year on the mechanical bird. When they had finished, they brought it before the emperor. This bird is even better than the real nightingale, great emperor, they said. Now children, what happened is the wisest men, they worked for 1 year very hard, rigorously they worked for 1 year on this mechanical bird. And when they had finished, they brought it before the emperor. And they told the emperor that this bird is even better than the real nightingale. The mechanical bird was covered with gold. Precious jewels sparkled on its back and wings. When its golden key was turned, a beautiful song came from its beak. Everyone agreed that it was even better than the real nightingale. It was much more beautiful to look at, and its song never changed. The real nightingale was allowed to fly out into the garden. Now children, what happened is the mechanical bird was more beautiful. It was covered with gold and precious jewels were put on its back and wings. And when its golden key was turned, a beautiful song came from its beak. Okay, so everybody said and agreed that yes, this is much better than the real nightingale. It was more beautiful to look at and its song never changed. Always the same song was repeated. Now, when they got this mechanical bird, the real nightingale was allowed to fly out in the garden. Okay, so now for 5 years, the mechanical bird sang to the emperor every day. Now for 5 years, the mechanical bird kept on singing to the emperor every day. But its mechanism became worn with use and its song was not quite as beautiful as it had once been. Now please underline mechanism and worn. Okay, now what is the meaning of mechanism? Mechanism means the moving parts in a machine. Okay, any machine, you must have seen any machine that works in your house. Every machine has some parts that keep moving. So these moving parts that make the machine work, that is called mechanism. Alright, and the meaning of the word worn is damaged. Okay, damaged, spoiled. So till 5 years, this mechanical bird kept on singing every day for the emperor. But after 5 years, its mechanism became worn. It got damaged. using it again and again. So much it was used that its mechanism became damaged. And what happened after this? Now we will see. Then one day the emperor fell ill. For weeks he lay in his state chambers, growing weaker and weaker. Everyone believed that the emperor was going to die. They left the sick man alone while they went to pay court to the prince who would become the new emperor. Now, children, what happened is, now the birds stopped singing. Alright. Now, what happened is, one day the emperor fell very ill, very sick. For weeks, he was lying down in his state chambers. Please underline state chambers. The meaning of state chambers is a royal private room, okay, where kings and queens they remain. All right, they have their own royal private room. All right, so he kept on lying and taking rest in his state chambers. He started becoming weaker and weaker day by day. Everyone believed that the emperor was going to die. Everybody thought that he's become so weak now and he's going to die. They left the sick man. Who was the sick man? The emperor. They left the sick man alone. And where did they go to? They went to pay court. Please underline this word, pay court. Pay court means to treat somebody with great respect in order to gain favor from them. When you want something from someone, you pay great respect to them. Okay, so that is known as pay court. So they went to pay court to the prince who would become the new emperor. All right. So now one evening, the emperor felt that death was very near. Alone in his room, he longed to hear the notes of the nightingale for one last time. But he was too weak to turn the golden key. Now, children, he also felt that he is going to die. And when he was lying alone in his room, only once for the last time, he wanted to hear the notes of the nightingale, the song of the music of the nightingale. But he was so weak that he couldn't even get up and turn the golden key to hear the music. Then from the open window, a lovely song floated into the room. Please underline floated. The meaning of floated is moved slowly through the air. So, from the open window, a lovely song came into the room and it floated into the room. The real nightingale sat on a branch outside, singing as though her heart would break. Now this real nightingale, it sat on a branch outside and it started singing. It was singing in such a way that as if the bird was feeling really sad looking at the condition of the emperor. "Sleep, my emperor, and become strong again," she sang. "You know now that beauty cannot be caged and gifts must be freely given." What did she sing for the emperor? She sang, "Sleep, my emperor, and become strong again the way you were before." She sang that you now know that beauty cannot be caged and gifts must be freely given. So the emperor slept in the morning. When the courtiers came, expecting to find that he had died in the night, the emperor was better than he had been for months. Every night the nightingale sang soothingly to him. Please underline soothingly. The meaning of soothingly is in a way that makes you feel calm. Okay, so every night the nightingale came and she sang soothingly to the emperor, telling of things that were valuable. Underline valuable. Valuable means precious. Okay, so she kept coming and singing and telling him of things that were precious and true. Soon the emperor was completely well, but he was a changed man. He ruled for many more years, and the people who had once feared him now loved him for his kindness and wisdom. Now, what is wisdom? Making sensible decisions. So now children, with this we have completed our chapter 2, The Nightingale. Now you are requested to go through the chapter, listen to the complete video, listen again and again, then understand the pronunciation, the meanings of the words, and then you sit and read it at least twice. After you complete reading, then you go through the new words that you have underlined. In the next class, I will be giving you the meanings and we will note down the meanings in the classwork notebook. Till then, stay healthy and stay blessed.